Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error. This channel cannot be displayed, right? So you have to fix this, you have to just go to the Play Store, and if you're using an iOS, then just go to the App Store, and on the search bar, you have to type Telegram and just hit the enter. Okay guys, and here the Telegram mobile application will open, and you can see that I'm getting option of update. So update the app right now, and this may fix your problem. Okay, and after if your problem is fixed, then awesome, just press the like button. But if it doesn't, then you have to just go to the setting of your phone, and after that you have to scroll a little bit down, then just go to the apps, and here click on app management. In your phone it can be somewhere else, so you can use the search option if you have the search option. Otherwise you have to just go to apps, and here we have to search Telegram. So I have this search option, right? So just hit the Telegram, and after that you have to force stop this app, and after that you have to just go to the storage usage, and here you have to clear the cache. And after clearing the cache, make sure that you open the Telegram mobile application once again, and if your problem is fixed, then it's great. Otherwise you have to click on manage space, and it will redirect to here, and you have to clear local database. Okay, and this is it. After that it will definitely fix your problem, and just reinstall the app. You have to uninstall the app and just reinstall it once again, and it will definitely fix it up. So this is it. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.